all, Bridget Bartlett here. I am the local business marketing, training, and support specialist with Builderall. Today we're going to talk about creating a professional email for your business. This means an email connected to a domain. For example, info@visionmarketinganddesign.com or office@builderall.com. This is an important step when establishing your credibility with customers and also increase your know, like, and trust factor. Just ask yourself, what do you think as a customer when you're choosing a business to provide services for you and you see Gmail or Yahoo in their email address? It sends a message to us as consumers that your business is new or maybe not credible. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up, and it's actually another feature that we have available in our Builderall platform. So the first thing that we need to do is purchase a domain, which you can also do that in Builderall. So you can go to the apps and you can go to DNS Manager and you can click here under Extras, and then you can actually purchase a domain. And when you purchase the domain, it gives you some directions here. You can click Buy Now, and then you'll follow those directions, and it will give you the domain, and it will automatically be connected to your Builderall account. But what if you already have a domain on another web hosting account and you want to transfer it so that you can have your website connected, you can have your professional email connected? You can actually do that very simply. If you go to the knowledge base and you choose name servers, you can see here how to set up DNS with the correct name servers. So there's a video here to show you exactly how to do that. The main thing you need to focus on is the actual name servers that you want to change. If you are just promoting locally and you're not concerned about a global market, you can choose this domain set here. If you are promoting your business to the world, you want to choose this here. So I like to choose this. That's my preference. So I actually have domains on Bluehost. So if you go to your domain host, there's always going to be a place where you have your domains listed, and then there's always going to be a place for you to manage the domain. Okay, so for Bluehost, mine would be here. So if I want to change the name servers of this domain, I would go to Manage, and then you will always see a section that says DNS. No matter what host you're using, whether it's GoDaddy or whatever, it's always going to be the same. You need to look at your domain and under Manage, all right? And then you'll see a section that says Name Servers. Now you see I already have mine changed here, but if I wanted to change them again, I could just click Edit, and then it's literally copying and pasting and then save. Now you do need to wait about 24 hours for them to propagate. If you want to check to see if it's propagated, meaning if it's been transferred, you can actually type in what is my DNS, and you can go here, and then you can type in your domain and choose the A records if you want, and it'll tell you. If you see a bunch of green check marks, that's a good sign. Okay? Back to this now. So we have changed the name servers for this domain. We have waited 24 hours to 48 hours until we have made sure that it's propagated. And then we want to go now to our professional email where we want to create our email address. But first, keep in mind that when you transfer a domain, it is also going to transfer your emails with that domain, okay? So you can actually go to the DNS Manager again. And if we transferred one of these domains, you'll see under Quick Actions, you can actually choose the host that you want to use. I choose to host my emails on Builderall, and then I actually just connect them to my Gmail account. That way I can still send my emails through Gmail and use all of Gmail functions and have them connected to my phone, but I could still do that all with Builderall. So I just prefer Gmail, and that's what I'm used to using. That's what's connected to my phone. So it's totally your choice. You can have them hosted with Builderall and then point them somewhere else, or you can just choose one of these options here. But it's so simple. All you have to do is just choose whichever option. If you have another one that's not listed, you could choose this option here. Now that we have the domain transferred, meaning pointing to Builderall, it's still hosted on Bluehost, but now we are pointing it to Builderall. We can connect our websites, we can create subdomains, we can create professional email addresses. So it's definitely, this is what I do, and it's definitely what I recommend doing. That way, everything you know can be hosted with Builderall once you point the the name servers, okay? So now we have Builderall hosting our domain and our emails, okay? So now we actually need to create the email. So we can go now to our professional emails. So we'll just go back to the apps and we'll just go to professional emails. So now you see that we have all of the domains that we have connected to this account. So we want to create an email for this. So the first step, it says, please select a domain. So let's select a domain that we're going to use. We'll just choose Vision Marketing and Design. And you see I already have emails listed here for that. But let's go ahead and just choose Create Email. If I want to create a new one, let's say info@vision. Oops. I don't need to type that in. I just need to put the name of the beginning part of the email, okay? So we'll just say info@visionmarketinganddesign.com, and we want to choose a password. And we need to confirm our password. As long as it's more than 70%, it'll accept it. So let's just go ahead and create that email now. And okay. And now to access our emails, we can just choose View Email List. And if you click here, you see all of the emails that we've created. Now, if we wanted to forward these emails to another email, we could do that here in the configurations. And you see I actually have this email being forwarded to a Gmail, but I actually want to delete that because I already have it connected to my Gmail account. But if I did want to forward this again, I would just simply click create and then enter the email that I want to forward this to, okay? So to access this email, let's go back to the list. So let's go ahead and access one of our email addresses, and we'll just choose this email here so I don't expose all of my emails in my inbox. We'll just go ahead and click access webmail, and you'll see here that there's a link that you can actually bookmark and always have quick access to your emails, okay? That's really important to me. So this is going to be the same link. So it's going to be webmail. Whatever your domain is. Now you just enter your information in here and then you click enter, and then it takes you right to your emails. Okay, so if you want to connect all of the email accounts that you have into this one window, you could go to add account and then enter in that email address, and then you would just click add, and then you have one place where you can access your emails. So it's super, super simple. And then you have all of the same functions that you have on any other webmail host, okay? Now that we've created our professional email address, in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to set it up in Mailing Boss so that you can start using it to build your email reputation and stay out of the dreaded spam folder. So until then, go build it with Builderall.